How to Delete and Remove All Likes on Instagram 2026 Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove all your likes on Instagram quickly and easily. If you want to clean up your activity or protect your privacy, this method is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and go to your profile. Now, tap on the three lines in the top right corner and then select Your Activity. Inside this section, tap on Interactions and then choose Likes. Here, you'll see all the posts you've liked on Instagram. Now tap on Select in the top corner. After that, choose the posts you want to remove likes from, or simply select multiple posts at once to save time. Once selected, tap on Unlike at the bottom. Confirm your action, and Instagram will remove your likes instantly. Right now, Instagram does not provide a one-click option to remove all likes at once, but you can quickly remove them in bulk using this method. Pro tip: scroll down and select posts in batches to clean up your entire like history faster. And that's it. You've successfully removed your likes on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.